Well, hello, my friend, and welcome to this week's broadcast. I am Anna Follett, and I am a surface pattern designer, an online educator, and a creative entrepreneur. And I'm incredibly excited today to talk to you about one of my star students, Kathleen Lambert. Now, Kathleen and I first met about 2 years ago when she came into my creative community and took my free mini course From Doodles to Dollars. Now, as many of you know, at the end of that free mini course, I also open enrollment to my paid 8-week signature course that's called the Pattern Design Academy. And Kathleen was a little bit afraid of making the leap and investing in herself and purchasing the course, primarily because she always prioritizes everyone else first, like many of us do, and also because she had this fear of the technology. So I teach you how to turn your sketches and your doodles into beautiful repeating patterns using the magic of Adobe Illustrator, and you do that inside a program called Adobe Illustrator. And so Kathleen was just afraid that she was not going to be able to do it. That A, she was too old, B, she wasn't going to have enough time, and C, she needed to continue to prioritize her family above herself. But she made the very wise choice to invest in her own creativity and to take the leap and to come into the program. And she did incredibly well in the program. And now she is offering her own course on Adobe Illustrator for the iPad. Now, the reason this is both incredibly exciting for me personally as her teacher, but also for herself, is that she discovered through my program how empowering learning new technology is and how incredibly helpful technology can be in bringing your artwork into the world in new and different and more accessible ways. So I wanted to let you know and personally invite you to come to a live interview that I am going to be holding with Kathleen on Friday, February 5th at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time inside my free Facebook group, Anne's Art Club. Now, many of you who watch these videos and follow me every week are already in Anne's Art Club, which is great. But if you aren't, click the link below this video and request to join it, and I'll let you right in. But I want you to mark your calendar because I don't want you to miss this live interview where Kathleen's going to talk more about her background and also specifically about her 6-week workshop on Adobe Illustrator for the iPad. And let me just take a couple more minutes to talk about Kathleen herself and why she is perfectly positioned to be both offering this course and why it's going to be so incredible. And she likes to call it a workshop because it's going to be very interactive. So the first thing is Kathleen is a former pastor. And in her church, pastors were actually called elder teachers. So she's a natural born teacher. She's been teaching essentially all her life, which puts her in a great position to teach others. And the other thing that's amazing and incredibly empowering for her is she's gotten over this fear that she had of technology. And she actually uses a variety of different programs from Canva to Illustrator on her computer to now Adobe Illustrator on the iPad and another actually free Adobe program called Adobe Capture that helps you develop really beautiful color palettes. So Kathleen is going to bring all of that experience together in her 6-week program called Adobe Illustrator for the iPad. And I want her to be able to tell you even more about it in our live interview together. So again, mark your calendar. We're going to be live on Friday, February 5th inside Anne's Art Club at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And she's going to tell you all about this incredibly exciting workshop. It's going to be interactive. She's definitely going to be interested in doing live demos, which are an incredibly effective way to teach. And I'm hoping that many of you will join her in the workshop so that you can take your creative skills to the next level and explore Adobe Illustrator on the iPad. I've heard from so many of you that you got an iPad for Christmas or for the holidays. And so what better time to jump in than right now? Below the video, there are 2 links for you. So the first link is to join Anne's Art Club if you aren't already in my creative community. The second link is directly to Kathleen's workshop so that you can learn more about it and get yourself on the list. And I always like to say in closing that I am Anne LaFollette, and it's never too late to create. Bye for now, and I'll see you at the live interview with Kathleen on February 5th at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time inside Anne's Art Club. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this broadcast, please go to my website, AnneLaFolletteArt.com. What you see on screen is the cover image that you see as soon as you land on the website. And all the way at the bottom, you can follow me on Instagram at Anne LaFollette Art. And there's a link there for you to click on. Also, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Anne LaFollette, and you can click on the subscribe button and then hit that little bell so that you're notified the next time I have a broadcast for you.